You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing names that too many mispronounce. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning about those. Mackenzie. Mackenzie is how you say it. Mackenzie. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. Like this video if you found this video useful. Like it at least, it helps me immensely. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.